If you want to start using Trading 212, you should click on the link in the description to get a free share up to $100 when creating an account. To change email on Trading 212, click the menu icon and look for the chat with us. Select that. Click the start new chat and then enter how to change email. In here, they will give you a list of requirements that you can provide to them as for their security purposes. And you can also chat with the live agent if you'd like to. Just chat, live chat, then select my account. Select document verification. Then select other. And you'll just need to wait for a live agent to connect to your request. And that's it. That's how you change email on Trading 212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.